Should mention Demisha Roswell as well, the second fastest Jamaican this year, over 100-meter hurdles. She's here. She's entered, let's put it that way, to stick with the Daniel Dowie approach. Daniel says until she sees them leave the blocks, she's not convinced.
I will let them stand by the blocks.
They can stand by the blocks?
Yeah, I'll accept that, seeing them from there. But Roswell is scheduled to compete in semi-final too, so not checking attendance for her just yet. Okay, game face is on. Prayers have been said.
That's Yasmin Brooks, number 516. She's running out of lane 2. Megan Simmonds beside her.
Yeah, the big, I guess the big 5, big 6, let's say, the Jamaican hurdlers this year. Megan Simmonds at 12:50, fastest Jamaican this year. Roswell, who will be in the next semi-final, 12:53. Danielle Williams, not here. Danielle, she has done 12:59 this year. Akira Nugent, not here. She has done 12:61. Brittany Anderson, 12:70, is not here. And then Karika Hill, 12:71, and she is scheduled to be in the next semi-final. So these are the big hurdlers for us this year. And a number of them actually now, living and training in Jamaica. I know that Akira Nugent is back in Jamaica. Karika Hill is in Jamaica. Should also mention Amoy Brown. She's done 12:81 this year. Anika Wilson, 12:88. We have a bunch below 13 seconds. As I say, we kind of draw the line, Spencer. If you want to be a professional hurdler, you need to be below 13 seconds.
No two ways about that, Bruce. Based on the standard we're seeing at the highest level, you've got to be going sub 13 to be in the reckoning.
And you mentioned that 12.14. When Toby Amusan of Nigeria did 12.12, questions abounded. Was the time real? Was the wind reading correct? How could that be possible? And 2 hours later, she ran 12.06. But then the wind
was wind assisted.
Above the allowable limit. So people kept questioning. And then last year, Masai Russell in the Grand Slam, Miami, Miramar, ran 12.17 to break the American record. And then people said, well, is this real? It can't be.
All right, let's get to the lineup here, Bruce. This is Yasmin Brooks in lane 1 from Swept Track Club. In lane 2, the fastest Jamaican woman this year, the defending champion, Megan Simmonds, the Olympic bronze medalist from the Tokyo Games.
Coming in with 12:50, as you've said.
Go to lane 4, Anika Wilson from Clemson University.
She's done 12:75, her PB 12:70.
Lane 5, we've got Tony Ann Forbes of Texas Tech University.
Yep, representing in the NCs, also at 12:75, her PB and season best.
We move to lane number 6, Amoy Brown.
12:81, her season's best.
Has gotten as fast as 12:67.
Former Veer Technical standout. Lane 7, Salisi Miles from Louisiana State University.
At 12:92, that's season and personal best.
Left Edwin Allen went to Rossies. In lane 8, rounding out the field, Amelia Chatfield from Elite Performance.
Yeah, her 13:66, 12:72 listed as her PB. I believe she may be visiting. She may be a visitor. I don't know if she's listed as a Jamaican. Daniel?
She's listed under Elite Performance Track Club. Semi-final 1 of 2 for the women in the sprint hurdles. The top 3 in each. And the next 2 best times to move into the grand finale for
on your marks,
Sunday's final day. Megan Simmonds, the favorite here, the defending champion. Fastest Jamaican woman this season at 12.50 seconds.
I've been running into negative winds, Spencer, so the times may be a little bit off. The 12.5s might be closer to the 12.7s. You heard that prediction, Daniel?
Loud and clear.
I want you to remember it at the end of the race.
That's your favorite, Megan Simmonds. 12.34 seconds at her very best. Set underway now, the first time of asking. Simmonds got away well. Also moving well there, it's Amoy Brown. Megan Simmonds has the field covered though. Megan Simmonds, the 4-time national champion, gets home quite comfortably ahead of Amoy Brown. The flash time, 12.79 seconds. Officially, it is 12.79 seconds for Megan Simmonds. She had it under her command from the get-go. Amoy Brown second in 13.04. And we wait for the third and automatic qualifier for the final. That goes to Forbes, 13.19 seconds. That's Tony and Forbes.
As the ladies go down the track, here is Megan Simmonds, the shortest but the quickest. Amoy Brown steps away from the rest of the pack, and he gets a second. And Daniel, can you confirm for us the time of the winner?
12.79 seconds for Megan Simmonds into a negative 1.5 meters per second headwind.
How do I monetize those kind of predictions, though? That's why I need some help with Daniel.
Can check with, what are they called? Just Bet?
Right, so Megan, she's good and ready. Interestingly enough, Spencer, the finals will be tomorrow. Mm-hmm. So they're kind of done and dusted for today.
Yeah.
Even though in the sprinting world, it's the kind of event that you could do back-to-back.
Here we go. Megan Simmonds, 12.79. Amoy Brown, 13.04. And Tony and Forbes, 13.19. The top three automatically into the final. Wait for the second semi coming up shortly.